Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two curved smartwatch from AOLON, the AOLON Watch Curve 3, and the other one is the first curved smartwatch from AOLON, the AOLON Watch Curve. On this video, we are going to compare the packaging, the design, the dimension, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Curve 3 versus the first Curve smartwatch from AOLON, the AOLON Watch Curve, watch this video. And of course, if you have any questions regarding these wearables, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. So before we compare the design, let's go first with the packaging. So the AOLON Watch Curve 3 do have an elegant packaging for its smartwatch. We do have some details here. We have the QR code or the link for the app. We have the specs at the back and features. And it looks much better, similar to other popular branded smartwatches. While for the Curve 3, okay, so this is the original packaging for the AOLON smartwatches. Simple. We do have the details here for the specs and the features at the back, or on the side we do have the QR code, color for the smartwatch, and the specs at the back. On the other side we do have the features. So it is similar, somewhat similar to our Wafit smartwatch. So in terms of packaging, I like this style, the latest packaging for AOLON smartwatches. Although this one is much compact, I like the look of this one. It looks more elegant. We do have the specs at the back here. Okay. So for the package contents, still the same. It is using the pogo pin for our Curve 3, similar to the Curve. A pogo pin and a user manual. Magnetic charging cable, USB Type A. I think you can also use this to charge the Curve 3. Okay, so it still works. So in terms of the design, so let's go with the design. Again, this is our Curve 3, and the other one is our first Curve smartwatch. And as you can see here, the Curve do have a much bigger body frame. Both do have a plastic body frame and a flexible silicone strap. I like the AOLON here, the AOLON Curve 3 strap. There's a branding, it looks more elegant and premium compared to our Curve. At the back, we do have a plastic back cover here. On the side, as you can see, for the Curve 3, we do have a metal crown button and a side button for sports, but you can also change this. Okay. For our Curve, we do have a plastic back cover, the body frame also, and we have a single crown button. Okay, can you see the difference here? Both do have a curved screen. I think the first Curve do have a more curved screen display compared to our Curve 3. We're going to take a look at the style here. But when it comes to design, the Curve 3 is more polished, I think. Better finish. Okay, it looks metallic compared to our Curve here. And a bit heavy. The side, we do have the speaker. Both do have a stainless steel buckle. So which do you think is much better when it comes to the design? Okay, let's see. For the black border, both do have a wide black border on the bottom part slim on top and on both sides. We'll have the specifications later on. For the brightness, full brightness also here. Okay, just the same brightness, I think. Same sharpness for its screen display. Then, which do you think is better in terms of design? Next, let's have the dimension. So let's check first the width. For the Curve 3, we have 37.4. For our Curve, the first Curve screen display by AOLON, it is 39.8. Yes. Then the next one, for the length, let's see. For our Curve 3, we have 44.4. For the Curve, first Curve, we have 47.6 again. 44. Okay, and we have 47, at least 3 millimeter. Okay, difference. Then for the thickness here, without the sensor, we have 10.9 for the Curve 3, and the other one we have, it is much thicker, we have 11.7. Again, we have 10.9. For the weight, not the length, the weight, let's check. Let's turn it on. 0, 0. For our Curve 3, we do have 40.46. For the Curve, we have 44.24. Again, so it is much lighter, although it feels heavy and solid compared to Curve. But as you can see here, the Curve do have 4 grams heavy compared to our Curve 3. Okay, so that is for our weight and dimension. Next, let's have the specifications. For the specs, do have the details here. Going to put it here on the side. For the Curve 3, it has a smaller screen display, 1.93 inch IPS. For our Curve, we have 2.01 inch TFT. So 80% screen ratio. This one is 77% screen ratio. Both do have a 240 by 296 pixel resolution and Bluetooth 5.4 BLE for the Curve 3, Bluetooth 5.3 BLE for the Curve. 7 to 10 days battery life, 14 to 20 days battery life. Longer battery life for the Curve compared to our Curve 3. Both will have an IP68 waterproof rating. 16 sports mode only for the Curve 3, while for the Curve we have 100 sports. So for the sports functions, the Curve 3 do have a comprehensive list. JU Pro app, it is using the JU Pro app for the Curve 3, which is a bit disappointing compared to the Curve, which is using the Dafit app. It is much better when it comes to the support app. Both do have an app that is compatible with Android and iOS. You can check out the complete specs on both sides here. Okay, next, let's check out the UI. For the UI, on top we have the settings here, more options for the Curve 3, On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the other side, we have the split screen. We have the widgets here. To access the main menu, just press the power button, I think. Okay, so press here. We have the menu. Then for the Curve 3, just press the power button. So it is a different approach when it comes to accessing the main menu. Okay, so that's it for our comparison of the design, the packaging, dimension, the specs, and the UI. On our next video, we are going to compare the offered menus and features of the AOLON Watch Curve versus the AOLON Watch Curve 3. Drop a comment below if you have some questions. Like, share, and subscribe.